Hi, Dr. Jace. Good evening. And we are so happy to have you here at Hooray.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah. So I'll be asking you a few set of questions about how
Okay.
your training went in Hooray and how you completed your OET session. Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
okay.
Firstly, could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dr. Jace. I'm a gynecologist. I'm working in MES Medical College in Kerala.
Nice. So, what made you join Hooray, Dr. Jace, and how was your experience here at Hooray?
So initially, I was confused about taking IELTS exam or OET. So when I searched in Google, I found out that OET is better for medical professionals because you can relate more to your profession. So I had one of my friend who practiced who had training in OET. So when I asked her, she suggests me Hooray, and then I went to their website, and I found it very impressive. So I chose Hooray for my OET training. And I had amazing experience with Hooray team because they were very motivating and encouraging. I think I wouldn't have cleared OET without the Hooray team. I should thank them the most.
Yes, so happy to hear that. Yeah. So, when did you join the OET program at Hooray? And was this your first attempt?
I joined OET program on July 12th, to be precise. I took coaching for around 1.5, 2 months, and I'm very happy to say that cleared OET in my first attempt.
Wow, that's so nice to know that you cleared it in your first attempt. Yeah. So, was there any specific challenge with OET? And if yes, how did you work about it?
Yeah, the I found the reading subtest most difficult when I started the OET preparation. To be frank, when I joined Hooray, I didn't had any idea about what OET was. I was so clueless when I started joined Hooray. And among the subtests, I found reading very difficult because it's more of comprehension, and the time limit is it's very limited. The time is, I found it's like 1 second maybe for one answer.
Mm-hmm.
The trainers actually helped me to found out the answer in the shortest time possible. They gave me clues how to find out the answers, and also they provided all the course materials. Apart from the Hooray course materials, they have sent me the all the materials possible, whichever they got, they have sent me so that I could practice. So apart from the classes, Hooray classes, I spend around 2 to 3 hours doing all the subtests every day. Especially every day, I used to do reading and listening subtests. So I think that's a practice that made me to clear the exam. And though when I started, reading was the most difficult part for me, I scored A in reading, and I'm very happy. And I think it's because of the practice and the training the Hooray have given me, I could score so much mark in reading.
Correct. That's absolutely right. And we know practice makes a man perfect. And here we have a live
Yes,
example, Dr. Jace, with
exactly.
us. Yeah. Moving forward. So, how were the course materials?
The course materials were excellent, I should say. And daily, the trainers used to give homework so that we can practice and also after the classes, during the classes, they used to discuss about the homeworks, and they used to give immediate feedback also, and the corrections and where we have gone wrong and how to rectify it. So I found, and apart from as I said, apart from the Hooray course materials, they have sent me other materials also, whichever they got, maybe from other students or trainers, I don't know. So but they have sent me all the other course materials also, so I could practice it. So I found it's just because of the course materials I could crack the OET.
Correct. And also, how was the knowledge of the trainers?
The trainers were amazing. They were very supportive and encouraging. And also, especially in the speaking part, if you have gone wrong in the grammar, they used to rectify it. They used to teach us the grammar. I think we have learned grammar during our school days only, maybe up to 10th standard. After that, I don't think so anyone of us could have gone to the English grammar. So
Correct.
they have cleared the English grammar. They have taught me a little of the grammars also, and reading part also. That's the most striking thing I found. The reading part, they taught me how to get the answers in the shortest time and in the shortest way possible, and I they are really amazing.
That's nice. Were the batch timings flexible?
Yeah, I took one-on-one class because of my work schedule, and I found it. The class were very flexible depending on my work schedules. In between 1 to 2 days, I had to take a break because of some personal issues. So they postponed the classes and they made the classes so that I'm very comfortable. And apart from that, I requested for a couple of extra classes also before my exam. So they gave me around 3 to 4 extra classes also. And I gave exam on September 11th. Till September 10th, they took classes for me. They cleared my doubt. They were available for me. So I was so much tension free because I know my trainers are there with me.
That's right. Also, lastly, what are your future plans and which is your dream country?
My dream country is United Kingdom, and my plan is to move to UK for my further career progression. So I have another 2 more steps for my GYNAC exam. So once I pass it, I can move to UK probably.
That's amazing. We wish you all the luck.
Thanks a
And
lot.
I hope you clear all the remaining 2 exams. And yes, we wish you really, really a lot of luck.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I had amazing experience with today.